Hey y'all, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do my 3D bows. So if you're interested in seeing this video, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, we'll get right into it. So everything that I used was on the screen a few seconds ago, and it'll also be in the description box down below. So the first thing that I do is I take a bead and I place it on the waxy side of a nail form backing. And then I use the belly of my brush to press down in the middle of that bead, and I drag it just a little bit to form a elongated C shape. And so once I have that, I just take the belly of my brush, or the tips of my brush, sorry, and then I push in the top corners, and that also makes it look like a flower petal. So by the time that all of that is finished, I am able to take the end that is closest to me and fold it over into the other side, and that is the beginning of your bow. So then I'll just take my nail form and I'll like rotate it, and then just repeat those steps. And then once they have set and hardened, then you put them together and take a small bead of acrylic, very small bead of acrylic, and place it right where those two would connect, and then you will have your bow. Also, I want to say that it's important to make sure that your beads are very consistent in size. If not the same size, they need to be very close, because if not, your one side of your bow will be larger than the other. Also, I am going to come back at the end and explain to you how I apply them on my nails. Okay, so right here I just have various bows that I did while I was waiting for my camera to charge. So the 4 that you see right here are the ones that I will be applying. So what I'm going to be using today is some builder gel from Savvyland, and I'm going to be using that to just apply those. So my nails were already top coated, and I filed the top coat off in a small little section of where I'm going to be applying the builder gel. And you would do the same thing with acrylic. So I'm just going to take a small little drop with my brush, and I'm going to place that on my nails without curing it. I'm going to place the bow right onto that, and then I'm going to flash cure this for about maybe 10 to 15 seconds. And while I get my other one on there, and then I'll do a full cure for 60 seconds or longer depending on the wattage of your lamp. And to do this with acrylic, you would just take a small bead of clear acrylic and place that on your nail and just sit the the bow on there. Excuse me, y'all, I'm tired. And sit the bow on there and wait till it dries. You don't want to move it around or move your hand around too much because the acrylic will dry with your bow crooked. Don't ask me how I know. All right, and that is it for this little tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the post notification bell.